Hey there, welcome to the Mobility Shop Live. I'm Justin Fox, founder and CEO of the Mobility Shop. Obviously, we're here at the Mobility Shop, but today I'd like to offer you a special offer. I'd like to offer you a free folding cane. Here at the Mobility Shop, over the years, we've worked with thousands of families and family members, to help sort of maintain or regain their mobility and independence through the use of various mobility devices and mobility aids. One of which is a cane. We feel that a cane is often the first step in maintaining your mobility and independence, or the first step in potentially regaining your mobility and independence. And what that means, obviously is, for example, we had a family in here earlier today. The father, obviously has some limited mobility, was having some difficulties with balance and other issues. And so the family members were looking for some sort of mobility aid, walker, cane, that would sort of aid in his mobility. He was somewhat reluctant, so they sort of leaned towards a cane. After trying it out, he saw, it sort of gave him a boost of confidence. And I think that confidence now, as he sort of moves forward, will help him sort of reintegrate with society, reintegrate with the community, give him that confidence to get out, maybe to family functions, to see his grandkids at sporting events, and various other, activities, that, he maybe has been missing due to the fact that he had, sort of limited mobility, and wasn't able to sort of get around as he once did or was able to. So the cane definitely was that first step in maintaining his mobility. So here at the Mobility Shop, obviously, we would love to offer you a free folding cane. So all you need to do is click the button below. Let us know where to ship the cane. We can ship it out Canada-wide. So let us know where to ship the cane. Click the button below, and we will get you a free folding cane. Again, I'm Justin. I'm here at the Mobility Shop. I'm offering you a special offer. It's a free folding cane. It's an opportunity for you or a loved one to regain or maintain your mobility and independence. All you need to do is click the button below, let us know where to ship it, and we will ship it out to you. All right, thanks again for joining me here on the Mobility Shop Live. It's been my pleasure to have you with me, and I will see you again hopefully soon, and have yourself